Hi everyone, this is Laura from Traverse Bay Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to make these really cute and simple, easy crochet baby booties. And there's really nice texture to them. This is really an easy project, great for a beginner. So let's get started. For this project, you're going to need some medium worsted weight yarn, so size 4 yarn, and also a size G 4.25 millimeter crochet hook. And to begin, we're going to chain 14, and now we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook and each chain down to the end. So now we've finished our first row. We're going to chain 1 and turn your work, and then single crochet into each of the back loops only down this row. So we're just going to work in the back loop in each stitch to the end. This is going to give us some texture. Okay, and now we've reached the end. We're going to chain 1 and turn your work. And now we're going to work in the front loop only in each stitch down the entire row. So by doing this, we're going to create a really cute texture on our right side here. And now we're going to chain 1 and turn your work again. And for row 4, we're going to once again single crochet into each of the back loops. And we're going to do that down the entire row. And when you get to the end, we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. And for row 5, we're going to single crochet once again in the front loops only in each stitch down the entire row. And we're going to chain 1, turn your work. And then for row 6, we're going to single crochet in the back loops only for the next 7 stitches. And chain 1, turn. And we're going to now single crochet into each of the front loops only down the row. So you can see by now we're alternating the back loops only and the front loops only, so that one of our sides here is pretty flat on this side, and then we have all the texture on the other side. And chain 1 and turn your work. And we're going to work in each of the back loops only down this row. Chain 1 and turn. Work in the front loops only down the entire row. Chain 1 and turn, and we're going to work in the back loops only in the 7 stitches across. And then we're going to continue to chain 7. And we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook and single crochet back down into those 6 stitches down. And then we're going to work in the front loop only for the remainder of the stitches all the way down the row. Chain 1 and turn, and single crochet into the back loop only in each stitch down this row. So we have one side of the booty. This is going to be the toe area in the middle, and we're just working on the other side. We're going to chain 1 and turn and work into the front loops only in each stitch down this row. Chain 1 and turn, work in a single crochet into the back loops only in each stitch down this row. Chain 1 and turn, and once more we're going to work a single crochet into the front loops only in each stitch across. Okay, we're going to go ahead and fasten that off. I'm gonna weave in my ends and meet you right back. Okay, so now I cut a long piece of yarn into my blunt needle, and what we're going to do now is, with our nice textured side facing in, we're going to fold our booty in half. Now we're going to sew around it just on the 3 sides, so across and then at the toe area. It doesn't really matter which side you start on. So I'll just start on the toe side. And we're going to whip stitch across the toe area here and try to make it nice and even. And then we're going to work along the bottom, and I'm just going to work my needle into 1 loop on one side and 1 loop on the other, just like that, and whip stitch across, just to make it nice and clean, and when you wear them, you don't want a bunch of bulkiness. It'll make a nice clean stitch. We're at the heel area now, and we're just going to keep working up the back of the booty. Okay, very good. And then we're going to weave in our end here and fasten off. And weave in the other side. Okay, so we're done sewing. The larger portion here is the toe area, and this is the back heel. I may have misspoke when I was sewing it together, but here we go. We're gonna flip it and turn it inside out and reveal our cute little baby booty. And we have all the texture that we worked on is now showing on the outside. And you can just poke around the toe to shape it. And there we have it. So cute, so easy. The pattern is posted in the description, and you can go there to find the written pattern on my blog and written in multiple sizes for cute little baby feet. Please like and subscribe for more free patterns, and have a great day.